What's up everyone, it's Hailstorm. We got a package in the mail today, so we're going to open it up. We got the package open, let's see what it is. Looky here. We got the Popshot popcorn. I got 4 packs in the mail. My buddies over at Camp Discord, they do rip and chip Pokemon streams. They ordered me 2 different packs. Super awesome. I wanted to show off and make another video because I talked about how I would do an update in the last video. I am now a Popshot Game Ready Corn partner, so you can use code Hailstorm to save you 10% off at checkout. So the 2 bags that I got are toasty and delicious, and now they have big bags. So you can see they're a lot bigger. I'll grab an old bag to kind of show you the size comparison. But I'm super excited to have dill back. It is my favorite flavor. Here is a comparison between the old bag and the new bag. So right here is the old bag and this is the new. So it's way bigger, looks different on the back, getting way more popcorn for your money now. Thank you so much to Camp Discord and to my friends over at Popshot Corn for sending this out to me. It's super awesome. I can't wait to eat all the bags of dill. And then I also have 2 bags of toasty, which is another one of my favorites. So thanks again so much. Code Hailstorm at checkout.